Here I have HUAWEI P50 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable watermark on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you can find add watermark, and that's how you can enable this feature. So every time when you take photo with your rear camera, it will be marked with watermark. Just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.